Welcome back. If you're here, some part of you needs a reset. A few minutes to step outside of the noise and come back to yourself. You've found the right place. Over the next few minutes, I'm going to guide you into a state of deep relaxation where your mind can rest, your body can let go. You don't need to do anything except for get comfortable and let my voice do the work. So before we begin, just find a quiet space where you won't be disturbed. This isn't for driving or operating machinery. Just settle in somewhere safe and comfortable where you can let go and close your eyes. Let's begin. Let your eyes close or soften your gaze downward if that feels better. Take a slow breath in through your nose and let it go with a long, easy sigh. With every breath out, let your shoulders drop a little further. Let your jaw unclench. Let your hands rest heavy and still. There's nowhere else you need to be right now, nothing else you need to do. This is your 3 minutes just for you. Now, let yourself let go. You are safe here. Imagine a warm golden light beginning at the crown of your head. And as it moves down through your forehead, your eyes, your jaw, any tension just simply melts away. The light moves down through your neck and shoulders, down your arms, releasing, softening, and letting go. Let that light move down your stomach, shoulders, back, belly, down through the legs, and all the way out to the bottoms of your feet, grounding you, settling you, anchoring you into this moment. Now go ahead and imagine that you're holding 3 balloons in your hand, either your left hand or your right hand. Notice the color of the balloons. And then imagine that each one of those balloons is holding on to something that you're ready to let go of. So stress or tension or worry. Each balloon is just filled up with whatever it is that you've been holding on to. And in just a moment, you're going to simply and easily let those balloons go. They're not going to create any trash. They're just going to turn into dust as soon as they go high enough. So in 3, 2, clear on all that you're ready to let go of. Send it into those balloons. And 1, either one at a time, or all together, let go. See those balloons go higher and higher, taking away anything and everything that you're ready to let go of. And exhale, send a wave of relaxation through your body. Wonderful job. You are enough exactly as you are. And in your own time, begin to bring your awareness gently back. Notice the sounds around you, the weight of your body in the space, the breath moving in and out, all the way up Take a deep breath in, getting ready to open your eyes, feeling refreshed and reset and ready to go. Carry this feeling with you as you move through the rest of your day. Wonderful job. If this session supported you, hit subscribe so you don't miss the next one, and have a wonderful day.